Hello. We're going to talk about the LCM, the least common multiple. And the reason you need to know that is when you're doing fractions and you're adding them, I can't add these together, can I? Because the numbers on the bottom are different. I need them to be the same. So I need to find the multiple, which is simply the number. It's like multiplication tables. The multiples of 3 are 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 12. I need to find what these two share. That's the smallest. It's the least, because I don't want to do too much work. I mean, I could. So, how do we do that? The way that we've been doing it is you write down these two numbers here. Can 3 go into 5? No, it cannot. Go to the next multiple of 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Can 3 go into a 10? No, it cannot. Go to the next one. 15. Can 3 go into 15? Why, yes, it can. So therefore, 15 is our least common multiple. It's the first one we got to. So up here, I can change this to multiply by 5 over 5, because it's always the same on the top and the bottom. So 1/3 changes into 5 over 15. This one we multiply by 3 over 3, because remember, 3 over 3 is 1, so I'm not changing it. It's the same number, it's just written differently. 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 1 is 3. Now I can add them together. 5 plus 3 is 8, and the bottom, you stay the same. 8 is 15. Least common multiple. It is the smallest number. It's the quickest one you can get to. Let's do one more, what the heck. Let's do 4 and 6. This is going to be an easy one. Can 4 go into 6? No. Go to the next multiple of the bigger one. 6, 12. Can 4 go into 12? Yeah, you're done. Sometimes 7 and 9. 7 is not a very easy number. It doesn't go into lots of stuff. 9 goes into only things that have 9s in it. Same as 7s, really, because they're not. So anyway, 9, 18, no. 18, 27, no. 36, no. You know what? If you want to, you can avoid this whole thing. And you can just multiply this number times this number. 7 times 9 is 63. I know that 7 can go into it, and I know a 9 can go into it. And so that is a common multiple. In this case, it's the least common multiple. Sometimes it's easier to do that. Multiply the two numbers together to find your multiple. It doesn't come in handy when you have like a 3 and a 9. You know that 3 goes into 9. That's it. You're done. You don't need to multiply 3 times 9 to get 27. I mean, they both go into 27. Let's go with the 9. It's smaller. Least common multiple is trying to help you do the least amount of work possible by finding the smallest numbers to deal with. Least common multiples.